Hello, my name is Debbie Reynolds. They call me the Data Diva. Today I want to talk about data privacy and the FCC's data protection task force. So the FCC has a task force that is charged with coordinating with states attorney generals in the U.S. for cross-state enforcement of data privacy, and so they focus a lot on things like mobile data and smart device security, as well as data collection practices. This is a very interesting task force, and this is a very interesting way to go about looking at this from a cross state perspective because there isn't a comprehensive federal privacy law. We are seeing a lot of activity at a state level. And so we are seeing attorneys generals acting together in concert on certain types of cases and issues. And so having the FCC have a task force like this really creates a situation where states can have easier collaboration with one another in conjunction with the FCC on things that they are in charge of mandating and looking for. So, this includes them producing things like public reports, enforcement outcomes to be published, push for national legislation because we all know that that's very much needed, and then also looking to expand state privacy enforcement. I think also on another note, we're seeing certain state legislatures coordinate with one another about laws and rules on a state level so that even without a federal comprehensive framework, there are going to be some synergies at a state level as these states want to create something that's less of a patchwork, where there's more harmony and more harmonization between these laws than there are differences. But it's still have a patchwork. We still have state laws to contend with, but those things will continue to grow and move forward. We'll see how active this particular task force will be in the future. But even without that task force, we are still seeing state attorney generals go after companies or look very closely at privacy types of violations or infringements where they feel that the consumer can be or will be or have been harmed in some way as it relates to managing or looking at their data. Thank you.